Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family.
This video is in collaboration with Funday, and this is hosted by Dyanne and Janny from Deco and Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins.
So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. This is the final reveal of my Easter sign, and this is basically trash to treasure project. And like you saw, this is one of the cardboard box, and I removed the top surface to get this corrugated surface. And I had this egg from the wall hanging of another Dollar Tree project, and I just made like a stencil out of it, and then I cut the shape of the eggs, and I got 6 of them using that stickers letters. So I just stuck Easter on each one of the eggs, and I stuck it in strategic pattern, like 3 of them going behind and 3 popping up in the front. And this is one of the burlap ribbon that was from previous project. And like you saw, this is one of the wooden board which had some sign on it, so I used that as the stand for this Easter sign. And those are the 2 bunny ears I created from one of the another basket, and I wanted to go along with the theme, so I just stuck it in the back to just give like bunny ears with Easter eggs on the front. So I just love this project, and I hope you also enjoyed watching and walking along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.